Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Today I'm going to show you how to check your soil for moisture with a simple screwdriver. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right guys, so welcome back. So during the summer, we put a ton of water on our lawn just to make sure it's getting enough. And as soon as the fall and we get cooler temperatures and then the winter, and we think like, let's shut the irrigation down and we don't need to irrigate anymore. And that's not absolutely true. So if you're not getting enough rainfall and at least, an inch or so every couple of weeks, you're going to need to check your lawn and make sure that the lawn is moist and the roots are good and happy. That way come spring, we're not worried about diagnosing any problems because it's had plenty of water. Now, when you're watering your lawn, you want to make sure you check it every 2 to 3 weeks and put about an inch of water on there. Now, if you have a large lawn, if you want to go through that task of watering it by hand, that's great, because I know a lot of us will cut our irrigation off, and because the pipes do freeze. So we don't want to deal with that in the spring either. So if you have a medium-sized lawn and you want to put a sprinkler on it or do it by hand, that would be great, just to make sure you get about an inch on there and make sure that the lawn stays moist. Okay, you can't do it with snowfall or any type of frozen water on top of the lawn. So make sure it's about 40 to 45 degrees. If you're in that type of climate and you get a 45-degree day, go out there and water your lawn and make sure that those roots are good and happy. Okay, I'm going to show you now how to check and see if your lawn has enough moisture. Okay guys, so all you have to do is take a regular Phillips head or any type of screwdriver, a flat head as I have here. Now before you do this, you're going to have to make sure that your lawn has been cut down to 2 to 2.5 inches. Okay, otherwise you're going to have a lot of grass up here and it's just going to fall over, and that can smother your lawn. Okay, so make sure your lawn has been cut down to 2 to 2.5 inches. You take the screwdriver and all you do is press into the ground. Okay, so you just want to give it a good, and if it goes easy like that all the way down, and this is about 3 inches, and I just pressed it real easy down, and that was simple. Okay, so my lawn is good and wet. It just rained today. If you want to check it about 2 to 3 weeks through the winter, just take that screwdriver and just press it into the ground real easy. If it goes really simple into the ground, then you're good. But if it's giving you some, it's not going down as hard, as easy as it should, then you may need to put some water on there, and maybe an inch and a half at a time. Okay, so that's an easy trick, simple, and it'll keep your lawn from drying out during the winter, and that way it'll be nice and ready for spring. So I hope this video helps you out, and we'll see you on the next one.